Good morning, students. Today we have learned algebraic expression. Today we have learned algebraic expression. We we express algebra by two symbols such as constants and variable. We express any algebraic term with two symbols such as first of all constants and another is variable. Variable. Constant means a symbol which has fixed value, which value does not change, is known as constant. Variable means the symbol which value is varies, which value is changeable, is known as variable. As for example, constant means fixed value, fixed value. Variable means change its value. Example of constant 5, 6, 7 dot dot dot. Example of constants x, y, z, etc. Students, what do you mean by algebraic expression? What do you mean by algebraic expression? We use constants and variable with different sign such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and divide. These symbols together combine to form an expression. This expression is known as algebraic expression. Definition is given in your books, but I can't define the book language. I define the summarized language. Understand, students? What do you mean by algebraic expression? What do you mean by algebraic expression? We use some symbols such as constants and variable to combine an expression with addition, subtraction, multiplication and divide. Give a expression. These expressions is known as algebraic expression. As for example is given that 4x plus 5, 2x minus 6, 4x into 5. This is the expression. This is the algebraic expression. This is the algebraic expression. Understand, students? Our next topic is terms of an algebraic expression. Terms of an algebraic expression. As the algebraic expression, we write 3x. In 3x, there is one term. There is one term, and the term is 3x. The term is 3x and the number of term is 1. Understand, students? Our next topic is what do you mean by product? What do you mean by product? What do you mean by product? Product simply be known as multiply. Product simply be known as multiply. Product simply be known as multiply. Understand, students? When two or more constants or literals are multiplied together, then the result is known as product. Understand? Such as the constant is 3, variable is x. When we multiply 3 into x, then the result is known as 3x, and we say that 3x is the product. 3x is product of literals 3 and x. Understand, students? Factor. Our next topic is factor. Factor. What is factor? Each of the quantity, constant or literals multiplied together to form a product. In few seconds previous we studied what is product. When we multiplied literals and constant, the result is known as product. So product is also called the factor of the product. As for example, then 3x is our product and its factor is 3 and x. We multiply 3 with x. 3 is constant and x is variables. Then the result is 3x. It is known as product, and 3x is factorized with 3 and x. These terms are known as the factor of 3x. Our next topic is tree diagram. What do you mean by, students, tree diagram? By tree diagram, as 7xy represent 7xy as a tree diagram. In 7xy it has 3 branches, 7, x and y. This is known as tree diagram of an algebraic expression. Coefficient means which number is multiplied by a given variable. Here 3x a algebraic expression and x is multiplied by 3, then 3 is the coefficient of x. Understand, students? What is the coefficient of x in these terms? 3 is the coefficient of x because 3 is multiplied by the variable x. Our next topic, like and unlike terms. Students, like and unlike terms, you understand that like, that you have like. The expression which have same terms, understand, they are like terms, and the expression which have different terms, they are unlike terms. As for example, 3x, 6x, 4x, 9x are like terms, but 3x and 3xy are unlike terms, because here 3x, here 3xy, y is the different term, so it is not related to 3x, so they are unlike terms. Here 3x, 6x, here both of the terms variables are same, both of the variables are same, they have same power, so they are like terms. In 3xy they are unlike terms because x and y, here x and here xy, different terms, so they are unlike terms. Students, our next topic of this term is types of algebraic expression. What types of algebraic expression we have to study about? There are different type of algebraic expressions, such as first monomial, second binomial, third trinomial, first of all define it. What do you mean by monomial, what do you mean by binomial, and what do you mean by trinomial? An algebraic expression which has only one term is known as monomial. An algebraic expression which has two terms is known as binomial. An algebraic expression which has three terms is known as trinomial. As for example, monomial 3x, binomial 3x plus 5, and trinomial 3x square plus 6x plus 5 is known as trinomial. Understand, students? our next topic is power. Degree, not power. Degree, what is the degree of the polynomial? Students, what do you mean by polynomial? Polynomial, here, polynomial. I define these terms polynomial. First, polynomial, it means that the word polynomials refers with poly plus nomial. Poly means more than two. Nomial means terms. If the term which has two or more than the terms, we say that they are polynomials. Such as here I define the expression with binomial, monomial, binomial, trinomial. If there was a term 6x to the power 4 and 3x to the power 3, 2x to the power 2 plus 3x plus 5, what we say that it? We say that it's polynomial. We say that it's polynomial because it has more than two terms. So we say that it's polynomial. Understand, students? Here we discuss about what is the degree and power of the polynomial. Understand, students? In next video we have discussed about what is the degree, power. What is the degree, power? In next video we have discussed about degree means power. Understand, students, of the polynomial, addition, subtraction, multiplication of the polynomials. Okay, bye. We meet in next video.